Not too bad, man. How you
We
doing?
have a couple of gentlemen here that are First Amendment auditors. They are checking government facilities for public accessibility and public information. So if it's an employees only door, they won't be going through that particular door. They are looking for the public lobby offices in order to obtain information.
Oh, another one. Here comes another one.
Is a guy recording through that door over there?
Another one.
These are the First Amendment auditors. They are checking government accessibility by the public in a public facility.
I'm just making sure that you know what's going on because nobody's supposed to go through that door. That's why I'm asking.
Well, they're not going through the door, but
Right.
they are accessing the public accessible hallway.
Are you kidding me? Our paper is due next week, and you want to say that we're not even doing the right thing?
Hi.
Do you need something?
I was just gonna take a look through the window.
To do what?
To videotape.
It's at an office.
I know what it is. Thank you.
Julie, can you help this gentleman?
I'm good. I help myself. I'm a grown man. Thank
You
you.
can help the... We have confidential stuff in there.
You do?
Yeah. So please don't be doing that.
Okay. No, I'm videotaping.
Oh, I don't. You know what?
I just caught some lady
Give
yelling.
me a second. Let me get someone else. Thank you.
How are you?
Hi, how are you?
Not too bad, thank you.
Yeah.
Oh shit, you know what we're doing? Education process. Oh, good day.
What did she say? He got educated.
Dude, they kept coming. They kept popping up.
I really don't think he should have yelled at you like that in the hallway, ma'am. Just so you know.
Hello.
No, I'm videotaping.
Oh, I don't. You know what?
What happened?
I just caught some lady
Give
yelling.
me a second. Let me get someone else. Thank you.
How are you today?
Hi, how are you?
Not too bad, thank you.
Yeah.
Oh shit, they know what we're doing. What's this? The education process.
Excuse me. It's on to the Yes.
Yes.
Yeah. He told me to come get you. I'm sorry.
It's okay, no problem. Okay, we ask that you go ahead and sign on in for you.
Have a good day.
What did she say?
Not too bad, man. How
We
you
have a
doing?
couple of gentlemen here that are First Amendment auditors. They are checking government facilities for public accessibility and public information. So if it's an employees only door, they won't be going through that particular door. They are looking for the public lobby offices in order to obtain information. That's right.
How you doing?
What's happening?
How you doing? You doing all right?
I am. I miss seeing you.
Okay, DOJ, is there located?
5 more minutes.
5 more minutes.
5090. Up on the 5th floor.
Oh, another one. Here comes another one.
Is it
These are the First Amendment auditors
Oh, okay.
that are
I just
checking
making
government
sure that we're
access to
here.
your public. Yes, you are.
One at a time. We gotta get them one at a time.
Where is a guy recording through that
Uh-oh.
door over there?
Another one.
These are the First Amendment auditors. They are
Oh.
checking government accessibility by the public
Oh,
in
okay.
a public facility.
I'm just making sure that you know what's going on because nobody's supposed to go through that door. That's why I'm asking.
Well, they're not going through the door, but
Right.
they are accessing the public accessible hallway.
Okay.
Ooh.
I'm just making sure you're aware. That's all.
Now you're aware. Have a great day. Thank you so much. Great job. Dude, they kept coming. They kept popping up.
I really don't think he should have yelled at you like that in the hallway, ma'am. Just so you know.
Somebody yelled at her?
Yeah, that other guy that started telling me I can't film. I didn't even mean to catch it. But they started arguing about a project they're on. Not my fault. Thanks, ma'am. I appreciate you for educating us. I'm proud of you. Thank you.
She did a good job.
Very good job.
How you doing? You having a good time with this?
You guys crack me up.
Take care.
Bye.
Bye-bye. Thank you. Let me get this for you.
This is great. You want to watch this video later? You want to watch this video later? You don't want to watch it later? No, I didn't put you on there. You look great by the way.
You make me play.
Can I just get a thumbnail? There it is. Wonderful. Thank you. Have a wonderful day. Oh, life is so good right now, guys.
Dude, that's the way she explained.
She did it so good.
You're lucky you got that.
Yeah, huh? That might be my intro for the next 5 videos, bro.
For the next 5 videos.
That is an example of the way
Things should
all
go down.
employees should tell others.
How you doing, man? You work here?
No.
You don't work here?
Here, I appear here, but I don't work here.
Oh, you a lawyer?
Yeah.
Attorney?
What kind of law do you? What kind of law do you
Yeah.
practice? Workers' compensation.
Workers'
nice.
compensation. Injured workers. You ever think about doing like constitutional rights and civil rights and stuff like that?
Well, that'd be out of my
Out of your league? Cool. Do you want to watch what we do later? You get a chance? If you're bored, taking a dump, something, and you're bored, watch what we do, man. And try to see the value in what we do. We fight for rights and make sure that they don't take away our rights. We go in these places and we ask questions. And we already had one attorney rip us off. We can't have any more. We need attorneys to help us, not rip us off, man.
Whenever that cases, they're like guaranteed that you would win. You know what I mean? It's,
Yeah, no shit. Watch what we do, bro. Get a hold of me.
Take care.
All right.
Appreciate you.
Educating everywhere we go, you guys. Okay.
Everywhere.
That squirrel's nuts for sitting where he's sitting.
How else you gonna get a nut around here?
I saw casinos.
First Amendment.
You got some cool artwork around here too.
Actually, that artwork kind of sucks.
No, I was talking about in the city.
Oh yeah. That shit was dope.
Cool-ass artwork.